And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty curtain bang wig sent from UNiceHair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I am going to go ahead and jump into the unboxing. It does seem like they did a little bit of like updating to their packaging with this little tote bag here. I see a lot of companies have this now, but I did still get the same typical things that I usually get in any other hair packaging, along with a bunch of very long eyelashes. So I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig cap. I am using adhesive tape today, and the only thing that I saw that was like different with this wig cap construction is that it only had one comb, and that one was along the nape area in the back. Now, as for the specs of this wig, again, this is a curtain bang wig in 24 inches. It's also a 13x4 lace frontal, so you can definitely get you some good parting space with this wig unit. And I do show that towards the end of this hair review. And this is also 150% density. I didn't really think that it was like too thin or too full. I think it was just right for the style. This style is layered, you guys. I did go in and cut into it just a little bit more to frame my face shape. I definitely highly recommend that you guys do the same. Depending on your face shape, you will have to cut in more or less, but I just did a little minor shaping, and yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and take off the adhesive tape. Now with the adhesive tape, you are going to have to go in with your foundation and put it on top of the lace because it does have that shiny cast to it. But other than that, you guys, it's really a peel and stick situation. Very quick and easy to do. And also it is very secure. So if you don't want any of the glues, or you don't want spray, or you don't want to be like cleaning off your forehead and things of that such, try out the adhesive tape. I have been using it more for my hair reviews instead of using glue, you guys. It's just quick and it does give the same effect in my opinion. You just would have to deal with that the shininess of the adhesive tape, but other than that, very quick, very easy to go. And I did get a bunch of additional adhesive tape that I can use, you know, in the future for my wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this little Ruby Kisses palette. I've been using it all last year. It's doing the job, you guys. Just make sure that you know, you leave it out to like dry, leave it open to dry, because it is not matte. So it's very shiny. Okay, so just make sure you like leave it open to dry out, and you can find that on my Amazon storefront. I do have it linked there. So I noticed with this lace frontal that the knots are bleached, you guys. However, it's like that little front bang area didn't really catch the bleach, so I was trying to put a little bit more foundation on it. Just make sure that you guys go under your lace as well and on top when it comes to that middle section. As you guys can see, very secure wig with that adhesive tape. So I do want to talk to you guys about like the specs of this wig. It is a 13x4 pre-everything wig unit. It does come with the curtain bangs already cut and layered for you. It does have the pre-cut lace. It's pre-curled. It also has a pre-bleached knots, and it does have a very nice hairline. And again, you can definitely install this wig with the adhesive tapes, the glue, or spray. It doesn't matter, but today I am doing adhesive only. So as you guys can see, I'm just brushing out the hair completely, brushing out those curls, trying to see what it is that I'm working with. I do think that this was a very beautiful wig, you guys, down to the density, the cut on it, the bangs, the parting space. Everything was really, really nice. I don't have anything bad to say about this wig unit. So if you guys are into bangs, you can definitely check this one out because I thought it came out very pretty. I don't know, I feel like when I do bangs, you guys really like it. I'm more into the curlier hairs with the bangs and things of that such, but I have done this look maybe once or twice with the more laxed hair, and I think it came out pretty good. So now let's get into the styling of this wig unit. Now it did come voluminous once I pulled the curls out, and it also did have a roller at the bang area, but it is still a little too flat for me, and you're definitely going to have to do a little bit of work to the bangs. So all I'm really going to do is take this little Hot Tools hot roller thing that I got. I don't know, I think I got it like the beginning of last year. And I use it on like my natural hair and stuff like that. It's really good for your natural hair. And I have it on the ion setting, you guys. So I'm just like literally rolling my hair up to get some volume, cutting it to frame my face, of course, and you guys are basically just going to see me do the process of that. I didn't really put too much heat on the hair, you guys, because I wanted to, you know, use what was given to me, and I didn't want to do or alter the hair too much because I wanted this to be a really easy, quick hair video. When it comes to the bangs, please do not do blank cuts unless that's the look that you're going for. Always do point cutting, because it looks more, I don't know the word, but it just looks more like natural in my opinion. And yeah, so I also showed you guys like a updo or something like that. I think I did like a claw clip at the end of this hair video, and I just showed you guys like the parting space and things of that such as well. So make sure you guys stay all the way until the end of the hair video. That's all that I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.